Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching It's Such or It's Egypt. For today's vlog, pupunta kami ngayon sa school namin for the University Week, and I will see you there. Bye-bye! So, andito pa muna kami sa car. Naghihintay na magja-drive. So, see you later guys. Doon sa school namin. Bye. So, ngayon pala yung start ng University Week namin dito sa Lasal, Osamis po.
from different places, speaking different voices. But now we are gathered here to fulfill our measure. Speaking different voices. But now we are gathered here to fulfill our measure. Carry forward last philosophy.
Confirm hangover. Hi guys, welcome back. So, kami po ay papunta sa
Minute Burger!
Minute Burger para kumain
Gonna
ng
take our
burger,
late lunch.
of course.
Not
Wala
very
namang
late
chicken.
lunch.
Wala namang chicken sa Minute Burger. Burger lang naman yung meron doon. So, kami pa ay naglalakad. Kaya,
Patungo sa Minute Burger.
patungo sa Minute Burger. Diyan lang kasi yung Minute Burger sa tapat ng
kanto.
school namin. Oo, sa may kanto. So, the weather today is so hot.
Today.
Say that one. So hot. So, I'm with my friend. Her name is Regine in
The back of
Carrillo.
us, also named.
And the back of us, that person is his ex.
It's not my ex. It's my
Her
husband.
ex.
My husband to be. Though we're not okay, but we assume.
So, yan guys. Kami pa ay naglalakad-lakad. Kasi malapit na kami sa Minute Burger. Yan na yung Minute Burger. So,
It's
ang
so hot.
init. Ang init. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please click subscribe down there. And please hit the like button. So, andito na kami sa Minute Burger. Yeah. So, order na kami. Hey guys, so kakain na muna kami. So we are eating Minute Burger. My gosh, nag-awas.
Pero hindi ka maniwa. Mabuti ka.
It's 8.
Happy?
18.
Happy?
Bala ka dyan. So we are eating now a burger that is
Kaya ka magpait ba?
spicy and wag magulo yung camera.
Hindi ako magulo.
Spicy at tsaka masarap. Masarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sipay. Wala kita yung straw.
Hindi na nakapait mo. Ito nakapait.
Let's eat. Sarap niya, promise.
Pag spaghetti ay. Hindi ko kumakain.
Ang kulang bitaw no kay cheese.
Ano ka lasagna ba? Lasagna.
Yung kulang niya yung cheese, walang cheese. So guys, yun lang, ito lang yung araw ko as a student. At yung whole week namin as a student. Kasi may university week ngayon na week. So, may mga party-party, tsaka may mga sayaw-sayaw. At this is the last day that ipifilm ko tong video na to. So, habang nag-film ako ng video na to, tapos na yung week. At kami ay kumakain dito sa favorite
Happy birthday.
part namin.
Happy birthday. Kumakain sa happy birthday po siya.
Favorite part, di happy birthday, bungol. Bungol sa mga kaibigan.
Gutom pa ko.
Ay kung ano
Halang,
din.
di ko ano yung halang.
Parang dito kayo.
Pait tayo po.
Ginaghan mo naman, guys. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please click subscribe and hit the like button again and again. Bye!